tutorials. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the new smoke bomb overlays that we have available for purchase in our online store. I'm super excited about these. There are some different color options to choose from, and I'm going to show you here how to apply them. So I have a picture of my two daughters and their friend, and we did a little photo shoot of the descendants. So let's add these overlays. So I already have them loaded. If you were to purchase these, you would download them and put them in a folder that you want. So, and then you're going to go to Place Embedded. You're going to pull up that folder slowly. It's loading. And in the folder, you should see a tutorial video on how to use overlays. Obviously, I'm showing you how to use these as well, but it's there in case you forget. And you'll see the different overlays divided by color. So there are some blue, green, orange, pink, red, violet, and yellow options. I'm going to use the violet, pink, and blue, I believe, and show you how to apply these. So to start, I'm just going to put a couple of these on, and then I'll show you what my finished product looks like. So you just click on one that you want to use, hit place. These are transparent files, so you don't even have to set them to screen. And just position them where you want. I'm going to enlarge this one a bit, like this, so it's kind of surrounding little Uma there. That's my Olivia. And obviously it's covering her face, so I will want to brush that off. But first I'm going to kind of position all of them where I want. And again, go to Place Embedded, pull up whichever one you want next. So let's go to this pink one here. And I think I'm going to do a rainbow baby photo shoot and use some of these as well. If I do, I'll be sure to make a tutorial of those. If you didn't know, both of my girls are rainbow babies. Had 5 miscarriages, so obviously we are very blessed to have them, and I love these color bombs, and I like the idea of doing something with them and kind of making a rainbow out of them, so stay tuned for that. So again, I have them positioned there. Obviously it's completely blocking her, so we'll fix that, and I'm just going to put maybe 2 more on here. This pink one might be dark. Oh no, that looks good. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, kind of down here. I kind of like more of the blue in the background. Do one more blue on this side. And actually I think I'm going to reverse it. So I just went to flip horizontal. So you can see I'm just kind of experimenting with these. I don't want this part like where the smoke bomb was coming out of the can there. I don't want it in front, so I'm going to pull that one behind that pink one like that. And let's do a purple. So Place Embedded, violet. Let's try maybe this one to start and see. Yeah, so maybe some purple over here. And again, I already kind of messed around with these before, but I'm going to show you what I would do from here. So there's 2 options. You can either create a layer mask for each separate picture. I'm sorry, each separate like smoke bomb overlay that you've placed on here and brush it off, how you want. Or you can merge all the layers and then create a layer mask and brush them all off at once. I chose to do them separately. So for instance, if I wanted to be able to brush off the pink off of her, but I want to keep the blue there, by keeping them separate, it's slightly more work, but I think it kind of gave a little bit more of a realistic look. So let me just show you how you would brush that off, and then I'll show you what the finished product looks like. So I created a layer mask. I'm going to go to my black brush here. I currently have my logo pulled up, so I want to get that off of there. So I've got a black brush. Usually I do this at about a 10% opacity and kind of brush it off like this, maybe even a little bit lower, so it looks more natural. And I really want to make sure that it's off of their faces completely. I really am not a fan of stuff that takes away from their faces, so when I do like leaf overlays, snow, glitter, bokeh, all that stuff, I never really want it blocking their face. I feel like it's really distracting. Sometimes I'll let it go over their hair. Obviously down here, their clothes, their legs a little bit. Same over here. If I wanted to brush it off of her, I could create a layer mask wherever I need and kind of brush that off. And I would continue doing that. And let me pull up what I have for the finished product. So this is what we're currently working on. This is what I had as my finished product. So like I said, I brushed it off of their faces. I don't like that distracting look, but it is overlapping, so it looks like it's, you know, in front of them, so their legs and stuff, and then it kind of fades out some. So please make sure you check these out. They are the smoke bombs available in our online store under the Photoshop overlays, and when we post these, we will be running a special on those, so make sure you snag them up before the price goes back up to normal. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time. Watching this video. Make sure you stay connected with Urban Rhino on social media, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course subscribe to our channel.